Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English Literature workbook our first lesson, the man curve exercises. Student, this is your English Literature workbook. This is lesson 1, the man curve. This is lesson 1 of workbook, the man curve. And today we have to complete exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. First of all, we have to understand concrete and abstract noun. What is concrete noun? Concrete noun refer to physical objects just like chocolate, rainbow, piano, bottle. And what is abstract noun? Abstract noun refer to feelings, emotions, states and qualities. They also name ideas and concepts and can only be felt and understood. Just like beauty, hope, thirst, freedom. Our exercise A, write the words from the box in the appropriate columns. Notebook, womanhood, brick, curiosity, hunger, wood, pastry, honesty, depth, mountains. We have to write concrete nouns and abstract nouns from this box. Notebook, brick, wood, pastry, mountains. These are concrete nouns. And womanhood, curiosity, hunger, honesty, depth. These are abstract nouns. Now we have to understand exercise B, fill in the blanks with the suitable abstract nouns from the box. Neighborhood, strength, sincerity, freedom, anger, warmth, care, curiosity. We have to fill in the blanks with the help of this box. Our first sentence is, the fireplace provided the dash needed on a cold winter evening. We have to write warmth. The fireplace provided the warmth needed on a cold winter evening. Our second sentence is, I live in a calm and green dash. We have to write neighborhood. I live in a calm and green neighborhood. Our third sentence is, Aisha was rewarded for her dash and hard work. We have to write sincerity. Aisha was rewarded for her sincerity and hard work. Our fourth sentence is, Aryan tried to move the heavy box with all his dash. We have to write strength. Aryan tried to move the heavy box with all his strength. Our fifth sentence is, Einstein dash made him a scientist. We have to write curiosity. Einstein's curiosity made him a scientist. Our sixth sentence is, dash is every living being's right. We have to write freedom. Freedom is every living being's right. Our seventh sentence is, Lisa's dash frightened her siblings and pets. We have to write anger. Lisa's anger frightened her siblings and pets. Our eighth sentence is, Mother Wolf showed dash towards the human baby. We have to write care. Mother wolf showed care towards the human baby. Now we have to understand exercise C. Underline abstract nouns and circle concrete nouns in the given sentences. First sentence is the horse neighed in pain. Horse is a concrete noun and pain is abstract noun. Second sentence is Grandpa does not want to leave the comfort of his armchair. Grandpa is a concrete noun. Comfort is abstract noun and armchair is a concrete noun. Our third sentence is the principal was impressed with Altaf's determination and courage. Principal is a concrete noun. Determination is abstract noun and courage is a abstract noun. Fourth sentence is my grandmother knits sweater for relaxation. Grandmother is a concrete noun. Sweater is a concrete noun. Relaxation is an abstract noun. Fifth sentence is appreciation encourages an artist to perform better. Appreciation is abstract noun. Artist is concrete noun. Our sixth sentence is festivals spread joy and cheer all around us. Festival is a abstract noun. Cheer is a abstract noun. Seventh sentence is the bookcase has a wide variety of books and magazines. Bookcase is a concrete noun. Books is a concrete noun and magazine is a also concrete noun. Eighth sentence is Sheena showed a lot of calmness during the examination. Sheena is a concrete noun. Calmness is an abstract noun and examination is a concrete noun.